Hi there, it's Tim from Tim's Electric, and I received an email from Kai all the way in Norway. He wrote, I found your page while frantically searching for a scooter for me, found your videos really informative, and was wondering if you could help me with some suggestion, as I'm having a hard time finding a scooter in my weight class. I've been looking at the Kaboo Mantis Pro SE from abroad, but I see a lot of conflicting information about it. I am weighing in at about 280 to 285 pounds, 125 to 130 kilos, and most, if not all, scooters I find in Norway seem to cap out at about 100 to 120 kilograms. And for what I can tell, that is like with no hills and no roads. I need a scooter that can carry me up some hills. My main hill looks like the Hill of Death, but longer. His Hill of Death is 1 kilometer, 0.6 of a mile. The Hill of Death. He also mentions that the speed restrictions in Norway are about 22 kilometers an hour, 14 miles an hour. So any help would be greatly appreciated. So thank you so much, Kai, for reaching out to me and asking your question. I'm happy to help. I actually think your gut on this is bang on. I think the Mantis Pro SE is excellent. The second edition, they fixed the stem issue. There was some cracking on earlier models, and they have a stronger stem bolt as well. I did a comparison recently between the 10X Varla and the Kaboo, and I actually found the Mantis was quite a bit quicker. So I think it's going to give you that extra power that you might need in certain situations, especially for your hill of death. And although I prefer the 10X, I prefer the ride quality. You know what? The portability is a little bit lighter. It's a little bit easier to put in the trunk of the car. It's a little bit easier to carry upstairs just because it is a little bit lighter. I think the Mantis Pro might be a really good fit for you. So if you're watching this video and you have an opinion, by all means, write down in the comments down below. Share what you think Kai should be getting for his Hill of Death and also just riding around Norway. And thank you so much, Kai, again, for writing in. If you have a question, by all means, send me an email to info@timothywest.com, and I'd be only too happy to try and hit and reply, and maybe I'll make a video about that as well. And also, thank you so much for subscribing. I don't know, I'm just blown away by how many subscribers and how many people are signing up and how many people are leaving comments. I'm really, really, really grateful. Thank you. Have an awesome day, and please always wear a helmet. Take care.